Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Leica mobile eSIM on your iPhone in just a few easy steps. First, open your Settings app, then scroll down and tap Cellular or Mobile Data. Next, scroll again until you see the option to add eSIM or add cellular plan and tap on it. You'll see two options, transfer from nearby iPhone or use QR code. Choose use QR code, then scan the QR code provided by Leica Mobile. If you don't have a QR code, you can add it manually by tapping enter details manually at the bottom. Here, you'll need to enter the SMDP Plus address, activation code, and confirmation code if your carrier provided one. Once you've entered the details or scanned the code, your Leica mobile eSIM will be activated automatically. And that's it! You've successfully set up your Leica mobile eSIM on your iPhone. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.